my peanut butter cups. Today, we're making 2 super cool lanterns for Lunar New Year. Are you all excited? Let's get started with our first lantern. Things we need: 9 different colors of 4 papers x 2 sets, 1 of 4 paper 120 GSM, a small piece of red paper, thread, double-sided tape, scissors. First, grab a colored paper and fold it in half. Now fold it again for more times. When you open it, you'll see lots of lines. Cool, right? Now, using those lines, fold the paper back and forth like a fan. Ta-da! Look at this! Now fold it in half and staple it in the middle so it stays in place. Staple, staple. Staple, staple. Woo! Our first fan is ready. Now, let's do the same with all the other colored papers. Ta-da! Our fans are ready. Aren't they pretty? Take the 120 GSM paper or a thick board. Now, grab the thread and place it in the middle of the board. This will help us hang the lantern. Now, take your double-sided tape and stick it all over the paper. Peel, peel, peel. Now, carefully stick each fan onto the board. One by one, no gaps. Woo! What do you guys think? Looks awesome, right? Let's cut the excess paper. Let's do the same on the other side. But be careful. Make sure the colors match. This part is a little tricky, but I know you can do it. Woo! Our lantern is almost done. Now, take a small bead and tie it at the bottom of the thread. Grab a small red paper. Stick some double-sided tape at the edge. And fold it in half. Now, cut tiny fringes. Snip, snip. Peel off the tape and stick it to the bottom of the thread. Our paper tassel is done. Yay! Our lantern is ready. So colorful and pretty. Did you guys have fun? Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun craft ideas. But wait! We have one more easy lantern to make. Let's do it! Things we need: a 4 paper purple one, a 4 paper yellow 2, glitter paper, double-sided tape, scissors or a blade cutter, a ruler, puncher, thread. Take 1 purple of 4 paper and stick double-sided tape on both top and bottom edges. Now, we need an adult's help. Call mom or dad. Using a ruler, measure 1 centimeter from the left and cut thin strips all the way across. Look at this! Now, cut 2 glittery strips from the glitter paper. Peel the double-sided tape off the purple paper and stick the glittery strips onto it. Now, take a small strip from the purple paper. Take a yellow paper. Stick some double-sided tape on the edge. Fold it in half and cut tiny fringes. Isn't it beautiful? Stick it onto the lantern. Ta-da! Looks cool, right? Now, take another yellow paper and cut a 4 cm strip. We are going to stick the rest on the purple paper. Now, stick double-sided tape on both corners. Peel, peel, peel. Time to shape our lantern. Bend it slightly and stick the edges together. Look at that shape. Stick some tape on the corner and roll it. For extra safety, let's staple the edges. Staple, staple. Now, use a hole puncher, make 2 holes. Thread a string through and tie a knot. Yay! Our second lantern is ready. What do you guys think? So easy and fun, right? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun craft videos. See you next time. Bye!